has been playing doll salon in here.
I didn't. That's her doll, and she said she wanted to cut her hair.
You cut her hair, didn't you?
Hide and seek!
Opened. Let's see.
It's hanging off.
I see.
It's hanging.
Yeah, are you okay? You were crying. Are you okay now?
I got cars.
You got cars? You're okay? Good.
One?
Sure.
As Prospero said to the regretful Alonso in The Tempest, let us not burden our remembrance.
All right, we just got a box delivered to us just now. Even though it's Sunday.
Yeah, you just came up here.
It's weird, but we're gonna unbox this baby.
I thought someone was coming to our house. I just need to cut this. One has little stick. Whoa! That's why I'm cutting the box.
Oh, it's not what I thought it was. How funny. What is it?
It's our costume.
Halloween costume unboxing.
Mom, what is this?
This one's for Jasper.
What is this?
Ah! Surprise! My baby. It's an Osmo too. It's a stabilizer. This is what I thought it was. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes. Isn't that beautiful? I'm so excited. What is that? Ah, Eloise's costume. Hold it up. Let's see it. Eloise's Halloween costume.
Oh, that's so cool.
Anything else in there? Is that everything?
Yep.
So just Eloise's and Jasper's and the Osmo. So you guys, this is obviously not sponsored or anything. We're not cool enough to get sponsorships. But this baby is like a gimbal stabilizer for this cell phone. And most of my video is filmed by cell phone. Yeah, it's real. No. Most of my video is filmed by cell phone right now because that's what we can afford. And I use a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to do all of our videos. And so this is going to really come in handy. A lot of our videos are really shaky, and I am trying to find ways to avoid that, and I'm really hoping this is the solution. There wasn't another smaller box in there? Like another little thing? I also ordered a microphone, so I will be showing that later, but I ordered a microphone that just plugs right into your phone. It's a Rode mic. It's a little micro mini microphone, so I'm really looking forward to having that too, because that's another struggle I have with using the cell phone and no mic. Is a lot of times I can hear what I'm saying, but not what the kids are saying, and I have to do a lot of edit work on the sound for that to work out. All right, well, happy unboxing day, Virginia. Why are you hurting people? So who are you gonna be? Zelda. And who are you gonna be, Ruby? When yours comes?
Peach.
Princess Peach. And Jasper's gonna be Yoshi.
Wait, I thought that was Ronnie's costume.
Now Ronnie's gonna be Toad, and hers is on its way. And Virginia is gonna be the Breath of the Wild Zelda, the one who has pants.
Yeah.
And yours is also on its way.
Mine's not.
Okay, put it all away so we don't lose it for Halloween. Oh, those came. Those are for you and Virginia.
Really?
Yeah.
I want to try them on.
They won't stay on without spirit gum though.
Eloise, this really hurts you, and you have to wear it for the whole entire Halloween. One more. Mom, is this a diamond?
No, honey, it's not. Yeah, that's so cool. Is that a plastic crown you can put on? Did you see your Yoshi costume? You're gonna be Yoshi for Halloween. You're gonna be so cool with Yoshi head. Look, this is your Yoshi head.
Yeah.
You like him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's so cool.
I'm gonna be that guy.
Yeah. Oh, you can't get him on?
I can.
They don't stay on without spirit gum.
This is Mommy.
Yeah, they're turned inside out, I think.
This is a drone.
Oh, maybe not.
This is a drone, Mommy.
Backward, forward, that's how they were.
Drone.
That's the drone?
Yeah.
A drone. It's a flying drone.
This
A pretzel. So we're thinking about, these girls have been making the cutest things. They have been making these little adorable books for their dolls. And we were thinking maybe of doing like a little how-to, because it is, I don't know, you can't tell right now because I've got the exposure up really high. It is gloomy outside. Let's see if we can adjust that. It is gloomy outside, you can see. And we are looking for things to do on this beautiful Sunday while we watch conference. And the girls have been making these adorable little books for their...
This is a school book, and then this is a journal.
This is a journal. So they want to teach you guys how they are making these. And so we're thinking we are going to do like a how-to video.
Yeah. Okay.
So here's one that Virginia did. She copied the front of this mermaid book that she has,
And the inside.
and she copied over the first part of the first chapter into the front. Isn't that adorable?
No.
And that's what it says on the back. The words that it says on the back. That's awesome.
Here's some of mine.
So you can see all of these ones that Eloise made. She's been busy.
Eloise, where's the
Science.
Here's one.
Math.
She stayed up late last night. Yeah?
Great. Okay, show us this one. Put it in front. This is she's most proud of this one because she made a little lock, put a hole through it, and put a little cord to lock the diary closed. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, that's why I have this on. To do that.
That's adorable. I love it.
And look at her hands.
Yep. So beautiful. I don't know. Yeah, a little bit. Grandma used to sing in that choir.
Yeah, Grandma did.
The Mormon Tabernacle Choir is no longer Mormon Tabernacle Choir. They are now the Tabernacle Choir at Temple Square. So you can't call them the Mo-Tab anymore. You got to call them the Tab Cats. Isn't it beautiful?
I want to touch it. Jeez.
It's so cool.
Yes, the baby. I'll touch it.
It is so cool.
How do you see where your bingo?
Who has been playing Doll Salon in here?
I did it. That's her doll, and she said she wanted to cut her hair.
You cut her hair, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Don't lie. Tell the truth.
I didn't know anybody else's house.
But you did it to yours. Why?
Because I wanted it. That doll hair's too
Well,
light.
hold your doll up. Well, we're just glad it's not Virginia's doll because that was what we thought.
And this is way more.
And somebody would be dead meat if that was the case. You think you ought to have a jacket? It's awfully freezing out here.
I think it's in the car.
Why?
I leave it in the car?
Don't.
I forgot his microphone.
Okay. Should we slowly drive? I don't know. Is he coming? Not in his car.
Almost done.
Post-conference dinner with Grammie. Thank you, Gram. She made all this yummy food. Delicious.
Oh, look!
What?
I grabbed corn and...
And an olive. Oh my gosh, like it's shocking. Corn and olives together even?
Almost done.
Awesome. You like yours?
No, that's
Is it
not
tasty?
potato.
You could get some food? Almost.
Well, this and this.
Oh my gosh, no!
Oh my
No, no! Every time!
The Lamas would call auspicious, meaning that you will have a very good life.
But is it special?
It's very special in its own way. It's just...
That's cool. So retract.
What? That's a blackout.
Dude, what you doing? You watching a movie?
Twig.
Yeah?
That twig. I like this one.
That's fun. What you doing?
Hey.
Hey!
King. Alright, so you just place one and I go with you because I don't have any more land. I have to place it if you can't have any more, if you don't have any more moves. That's lame.
What you doing? What you doing? What you getting? What you... Hey! Man, how many of those have you had today? You want one more? Ask Mom. Wait, ask Mama though. Ask Mama though.
Okay.
I can have it.
Yeah, you can have it. Yeah.
These have cars.
These have cars. Tell them to the seekers.
It has cars. Can I play car with you? Yeah. Got this. Sorry. Yes, one can fit.
Alright, Sully. What happened with the TV?
Okay.
What are you doing? What you got there?
There you go, Jack.
Ooh.
So
Ooh, styling.
I got this toy on my sleepover, and I think Ruby or Eloise got
Wait,
this.
what does that one do? And then what?
You're supposed to turn it. You're supposed to turn it and like
Look, I've been at in.
Are made from technology that no one here has ever seen before.
Yeah, you know, I can put some money up there.
Oh, you can see me in the reflection. Look how cool this thing is.
That was like your most sincere.
There's grams. We're gonna track Daddy's face.
No, Dad.
You have to put it down.
You have to put it down. You can't just slowly look at it.
Mom, it's...
They need to be used.
This is nice. Let's go downstairs. Grammie got that pink. I'm like... Oh, what's his name again? I forgot. It's Terror. No, it's not. It's called... It's Bob. Bert. Let's go ask Grammie. Just go ask Grammie. I forgot. He protects the basement from ghosts and stuff. It's really funny. I didn't even show. You just hit me. I didn't even show you. You keep saying. Grammie, what's the guy's name again? Grammie, what's... Oh, it's a girl. No. Grammie, what's the guy's name again?
What's the guy's name?
Yeah, that was it.
I don't know.
You forgot?
Herb. It's Herb.
Herb, oh yeah. Let's go see her. Let's go show her. Let's actually show her. Because I didn't show her. Oh, this is nice. I love her new toy. Our new baby. Super smooth, so if you're like jumping, it only moves you. Okay. It's Bert. Wait, did she say Bert? I forgot again. Herb. This is Herb. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Herb! Our biggest friend. He guards the basement. Say hi, Herb. Wait, he has a yellow hand? Say hi, Herb. And a white hand. Here, you want to vlog for us? Sure. Wait, this hand.
I'm not used to this.
I think we just broke him.
It's an exercise thing.
This is hard. Guys, I think I broke her.
Her? I thought you said her. I was like, it's a boy. I thought you said her.
Well, I'll just tell Grammie I broke her. Gram, pulled on Herb's hand too hard. Gram, pulled on Herb's hand too hard.
Oh, okay. What?
His hand fell off.
Oh. Whose hand?
Herb's.
Oh, Herb's?
Yeah.
Who's shaking it?
Me?
Here's this one.
Time to go home. Yeah, but I need someone to go with me. That's Herb. Yeah, that's Herb. I won't come with you. That's Herb. What is this you're talking about? What?
Like these people. What is that?
Oh, that's gonna crap. That's gonna be in the video, isn't it?
Oh man.
Are you gonna fix
That's going in there.
Yeah, it is.